boys and girls. Now it is time for us to review. Let's practice on how to tell time. I have 3 samples here on the board for you, and I need your help because I don't know how to tell time, but I trusted you, boys and girls, that you can help me. Let's go ahead and do the first clock. But we always watch for the hour hand first. So I am going to look, where's the hour hand? Now the hour hand is right here. Now I have to look closely because I don't want to write the wrong answer. Now is the time says 8:30? We'll see. My hour hand just passed 7. I just passed 7. I am not on 8 yet, so I am not going to write 8. So my hour hand just passed 7. So I am going to write 7 on the left side. This is my hour side. And then I need to look at my minute hand. Remember that this is o'clock, this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20, 25. Now, where is my minute hand at? You're right. It is at 6, but that means that is called 30. So let's go ahead and write 30. Now, can you read the time? You're right. 7:30. Now, let's go ahead and check the next clock. Now, what is the number your hour hand pointed? Good. It is pointed to 10. So, I am going to write 10 on the left side of my clock. Good. Now, let's go ahead and look at your minute hand. Your minute hand pointed to 12. But that means 12 says o'clock. So I am going to write o'clock. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and read our time. It is 10 o'clock. Good job. Now let's move on to our last clock. Now let's go ahead and look at your hour hand again. It is in between 11 and 12. We are not at 12 yet. We just passed 11. So let's go ahead and write 11. And then let's go and look at our minute hand. Minute hand pointed to 6, and that is called 30. So let's go ahead and write 30 on the right side of your clock. So let's go ahead and read our time. It is, you're right, it is 11:30. Good job. Now I would like you to help me. I'm going to have Judy with me, and I would like you to help me tell the time. Judy is going to show you the time, and I would like you to help me write them in the box. So let me see. Now I would like you to tell me, what time is this? Very good. First, I have to write the hour hand. And hour hand pointed to 2. Very good. So let's go ahead and write 2. Now, where is your minute hand at? O'clock. Very good. So we are going to write o'clock. So now our time says 2 o'clock. Very good. Now let's go ahead and move to the next sample. Now what do you think this time said? We are in between 9 and 10. You're right, it is at 9. So let's go ahead and write 9. Because we just passed 9. And I would like you to look at your minute hand. Your minute hand pointed to 6, and that means it is called 30. Let's go ahead and write 30. You did an awesome job, boys and girls. Now we have one more box. Let's see if we can get this one correct. So now, our last clock time is, where is your hour hand at? In between 12 and 1. We are halfway to 1. So that means we just passed 12. So we are going to write 12. And your minute hand is at 6, and it is called 30. So let's go ahead and write 30. Now we have 12:30. Good job, boys and girls. Now you are going to pull out your seat work paper, and I will walk with you with the back, especially the back part. And so when you're ready, just pause the video and let's get started. Okay, are you ready with the back page? Now let's go ahead and look at the clock. Your clock have different kinds of food on the side. Now we are going to write the digital time by looking at our food. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at your number 1. Now we are going to look at the apple. Okay, and your apple is where and what number is at? You're right. Your apple is at 8. So let's go ahead, join me. Go ahead and write number 8. Yummy pizza. Now where do you think is that pizza at? What number? You're right. It's at 12. And that is called a clock. So how can I write a clock again, boys and girls? Good. 0, 0. Now 1 o'clock at number 1, your time is 8 o'clock. Very good. Now let's go ahead to number 2. Yummy cake. Where is your cake at? My cake is right there at 1. Go ahead and write 1. Healthy salad. Where is your salad at? Ooh, at 6. Now that 6 says 30. So let's go ahead and write 30. 3, 0. So number 2 time is 1:30. Very good. Now let's go move on to number 3. Look at your banana. Your banana is at what number? You're right. Number 5. So let's go ahead and write 5. Another pizza. Where is your pizza again? At 12. And 12 says o'clock. Let's go ahead and write 0, 0. So what time is it on number 3? 5 o'clock. Very good. Our last problem for today. Look at your breakfast. What time is it? Where is it at? At 9. Let's go ahead and write 9. And your healthy salad is at 6. And that it says 30. Let's write 30. Number 4 time is 9:30. I hope you did an awesome job with this one, boys and girls, and don't forget to eat your snacks. Be healthy today. Have a good day.